Once upon a time, in a beautiful city of Medina, there was a warm and loving home where Fatima Zahra alayhi salam, the daughter of Prophet Muhammad, lived. One day, Fatima alayhi salam heard a gentle knock on her door. When she opened it, she saw her beloved father, the messenger of God, standing there. "Peace be upon you, O Fatima," he greeted her with a smile. "Peace be upon you, O my dear father," Fatima alayhi salam replied warmly. Prophet Muhammad entered the house and said, "I feel some weakness in my body." Fatima alayhi salam worriedly replied, "I seek refuge from God, O Father, from weakness." Prophet Muhammad asked, "O Fatima, please bring me the Yemeni clock." Fatima alayhi salam quickly brought the Yemeni clock and gently covered her father with it. His face was shining brightly like the full moon on a clear night. Not long after, her son Hassan alayhi salam entered the room. "Peace be upon you, O my dear mother," Hassan alayhi salam greeted. "Peace be upon you too, O delight of my eye and fruit of my heart," Fatima alayhi salam responded with love. Hassan alayhi salam sniffed and said, "Oh my dear mother, I smell a pleasing scent, as if it is the scent of my grandfather, the messenger of God." Fatima alayhi salam smiled and said, "Yes, your grandfather's under the clock." Hassan alayhi salam moved towards the clock and said, "Peace be upon you, O holy grandfather, the messenger of God. May I come and sit with you under this clock?" Prophet Muhammad replied, "Peace be upon you, O my child, and the owner of my pond. I have permitted you to enter." Hassan alayhi salam happily joined his grandfather under the clock. Soon after, Fatima alayhi salam's other son, Husayn alayhi salam, came into the room. "Peace be upon you, O my dear mother," Husayn alayhi salam greeted. "Peace be upon you too, O my son, delight of my eye and fruit of my heart," Fatima alayhi salam replied. Husayn alayhi salam also said, "Oh my dear mother, I can smell a pleasing scent, as if it is the scent of my grandfather, the messenger of God." Fatima alayhi salam nodded and said, "Yes, your grandfather and brother are under the clock." Husayn alayhi salam approached the clock and said, "Peace be upon you, my great grandfather. May I come under the clock with you too?" Prophet Muhammad replied, "Peace be upon you, my child, and the intercessor of my nation. I have permitted you." Husayn alayhi salam joined his brother and grandfather under the clock. Meanwhile, Fatima alayhi salam's husband, Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam, approached the house. "Peace be upon you, O daughter of the messenger of God," he greeted. "Peace be be upon you too, O Abul Hassan and the commander of believers. Fatima alayhi salam replied. Ali alayhi salam also noticed the fragrance and said, O Fatima, I smell a fragrance of my brother, the messenger of God. Fatima alayhi salam smiled and said, Yes, he is under the clock with your two sons. Ali alayhi salam turned to the clock and said, Peace be upon you, O messenger of God. May I join you under the clock too? Prophet Muhammad replied, Peace be upon you, O my brother, my successor, and the owner of my banner. I have permitted you. Ali alayhi salam also joined them under the clock. Then Fatima alayhi salam approached and said, Peace be upon you, O my dear father, O messenger of God. May I join you under the clock too? Prophet Muhammad replied, Peace be upon you, O my daughter, O part of my flesh. I have permitted you. Then Fatima alayhi salam also joined them under the clock. Once they all gathered, Prophet Muhammad raised his hands and said, O Allah, remove from them filth and purify them with a thorough purification. Then God said, O my angels, I did not create anything except for the sake of these five. They are the family of the Prophet. They are Fatima, her father, her husband, and her two sons. Jibreel alayhi salam then with Allah's permission descended to the earth to join them. Jibreel alayhi salam then said, Peace be upon you, O messenger of God. The Supreme Lord has extended his salam to you. May I join you too under the clock? Prophet Muhammad replied, And peace be upon you, O the trustee of God. Yes, I allow you. Then Jibreel joined them under the clock, and Allah revealed the following verse.
إنما يريد الله ليذهب عنكم الرجس أهل البيت ويطهركم تطهيرا.
And so under the blessed clock, these special five were honored and celebrated by God and the angels. They were recognized as the pure and beloved family, whose love and devotion would always be cherished and remembered.